You almost scared the Pooh Bear out of me. Hey everybody, today we are doing something kind of fun. You know, I have been practicing the law of attraction for a while now, and I believe if you put it out there in the universe, it will give back. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how making my YouTube videos go and how I plan to make my channel go viral by 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to find out how, just keep watching.
Mom.
What? Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I did have a little bit of fun with this video today, and I'm going to tell you my plans on making my channel go viral by 10,000 subs, while I'm showing you what all happens
while I'm trying to film.
So that should be fun. That should be really fun. And like I said, I studied the law. What?
I'm filming!
So anyways, guys, my secret is going to be that I'm going to make the best YouTube makeup videos ever. I am going to make sure I explain myself really well. I'm going to make sure everything is nice and put together while I'm filming. I'm going to make sure that the tutorials go
as smoothly as possible, and let me just tell you,
I have been practicing the law of attraction for a while now, and I honestly believe if you put it out there, the universe will give it to you. If you don't know what law of attraction is, guys, y'all should really look up some of those videos. It will really lift your spirits. They are really awesome. I'm going to make sure everything runs as smoothly as possible. There are slight problems every once in a while. I mean, you know, who doesn't have problems while filming? Sometimes I like to use new stuff, so I kind of sort of have to get something else to use, and because I kind of get bored with the same thing, and I really got too much makeup, so I don't even know why I'm doing that to begin with. I don't need any more, but I love makeup. It is my biggest passion. So I've got to have it. I got to have everything that there is out there. I absolutely adore when I get something new. So I want to keep it fresh. I want to keep it rolling. I want to keep it going. Now there are a few bumps in the road. Of course, life's going to throw you those odd curves, you know. I mean, I do have kids. I do run a household while my husband's at work. But guys, giving y'all the best content that I can, that's what's going to happen. And like I said, the law of attraction says if I put it out there, it's going to give it back to me. So,
Okay, universe. I'm waiting. Universe. Hello.
like it feels like it takes me forever. When I do send off for something new, it feels like it takes forever for it to get there, and I'm always stalking the mailbox. Like, that is one of my favorite things to do every day, is stalk the mailbox, stalk the mail lady. I love it, love it, love it. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Why?
Guys, another thing that I do strongly believe in is I have always been told you'll never get to enjoy the reward until you learn how to respect and appreciate the journey toward the reward. And I do honestly believe that that is one of the biggest things that I do honestly believe. So guys, I just wanted to put together this quick little video. Alright guys, here we go. Now, usually before I start my videos, I walk to the store. It's right next to my house, so I consider this my exercise. I go to the store and I get the boys some snacks so they can sit in front of their game and usually be quiet, but I doubt I'll even get through this voiceover without one of them screaming, "Mom!" So we're just going to do that. So here we are going to the store. Get there, Mandy. I don't know why this is such a long video on this part, because it's really not that far to the store. Here we are at the store finally, and I'm just going to grab them some snacks. Great, my phone went off. So I'm pretty sure some snacks will keep them busy, but usually after they're gone, they're yelling again. And now we are going back home. So guys, I'm serious. This is usually how my videos start out. I try to keep everybody busy. Everybody. And I try to do them while my husband's at work. Now I'm ready for filming. I should have figured most of the time, guys, and this is 100% true, either my camera is out of focus or my head's cut off because my tripod sucks. Okay guys, now we can start the tutorial. So of course I grabbed for a palette, and you know what? I didn't even realize this, but I didn't even brush my hair. And 90% of the time this truly does happen. And there we go again. We are not in the view for the camera. And I didn't change my shirt. So we got to fix this. Mandy, you're changing on camera, honey. You cannot do that. Oh, wait. Nope, I had something under it. Of course, it's wintertime in Ohio. So, yes, I've got about 4 layers of clothes on. Oh, my God, that's got something on your shirt. Really, Mandy? Oh, my God. I knew this. This happens all the time. Don't change on camera. Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a stain on that one too, Mandy. Oh, my God, I cannot believe it. I found a clean shirt. So we're going to start filming again with our head cut off again, and that palette I've used in so many videos, so I think you need something new, Mandy. So, well, let's order something. It is time to stock the mailbox, guys. So this is not really what happens, but you know, I had to have it for the video. I don't really sit outside all the time, but you know what? This is how I feel. This is what I feel like doing when I'm waiting for something to come on the mail. Because I am staring out the window all the time if I know something's coming. So here we are still waiting. Now guys, this is going to be kind of a long part. So we'll just put her in fast forward. Or I thought I did. Alright, now it's in fast forward. I had to go back and fix it, guys. I'm editing now. So, you know, usually that's a pain. And usually I find a ton of mistakes that I've done. Yep, still nothing, and I truly do. I should be sitting outside like this waiting on the mailman, because I really do stalk them. I stalk them really bad. They would have a restraining order if they knew how bad I stalked them. And here we go. We're still waiting. Yep, that's what I feel like doing right now, matter of fact. I should take a nap. I really should. I haven't had a nap today. Oh my gosh, she's here. The mail lady is here. So here we go, guys. And this is really what I do when I'm going to the mailbox. I really do run. I run to the mailbox. My neighbors look at me like I'm an idiot. Yay, it's here. Finally. And then I'm going to go inside and spread out all my makeup, which is usually a ton of junk. And half of it I don't even use, but I spread it out anyways. Here we go. We're getting ready for the video. Yeah, that wasn't a good look, Mandy. And here we go. We're going to open the package. Yay! Something new. Something new. My head's cut off again. Imagine that. Alright, guys. Now we can start. Did you see my tripod fall? See how bad that sucks? Like I said, most of my videos end up like that or out of focus. And I'm going to do my nails now. I hope it brought a smile to some of y'all's faces, because I sure enjoyed doing all this stuff myself. I mean, editing is probably
We're going to be a bitch.
Going to be hell, but you know what, we're just having fun here. And like I said, my biggest love is makeup. That is what I will continue to do. I hope I was able to make a couple of y'all laugh. So guys, just remember, if you are whatever in life that you are pursuing or whatever you're doing, just remember to keep doing it, because there is gold at the end of that rainbow. You will not regret it. Follow your dreams, guys. Follow your dreams. Do whatever it is that you want. I promise you good things
Things will come to those who wait.
So if you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much.
And I will see you next video. Bye, guys.
Mom,
You almost scared the poo bear